So as I'm reaching out into the quantum field that I have, I'm able to access. I am connecting with a nature spirit. I feel that she is located somewhere in Europe, though. She, I put a generic, what's the word? Not generic, gender designation to her, just probably because of the polarity that she holds, which is connected to the earth, and her consciousness, her past lives, how people identify her in spirit. I was looking online, and I don't believe this is Demeter, the spirit known as Demeter, or the goddess known as Demeter, but I'm not sure if she is well known by a name. But anyway, there she is. There she is here. She is associated with growing, with plants, trees, food, fruits, plants of the food of the vine, food of the earth, growing flowers, anything to do with nature, with plants. She's saying that to connect with her, she will help you with your plants if you are into agriculture, growing things, herbs. She will her consciousness will be able to help you when you connect with her consciousness. She will be able to help you tune into the plant kingdom and know how to grow plants, how to nurture them, what fertilizer they need, water, how much water they need, where they need to be planted, when they need to be harvested to receive their greatest nutrients and energy, and what else. So I'll just sit here and quietly and allow you to tune into her. You might be getting a name of this being. We'll see. Okay. Peace and blessings. Enjoy.